Imagine finding a mysterious device from over 2,000 years ago that's so advanced it shouldn't even exist. A team of sponge divers, expecting nothing more than some ancient pottery and lost treasures, descends into the deep blue waters off the Greek island of Antikythera. The year is 1901. Their mission? To salvage whatever remains of a sunken Roman cargo ship. They scan the ocean floor, brushing past broken amphorae and scattered relics, and then they find it. At first glance, it looks like a lump of corroded metal, fused with wood, barely recognizable. Just another artifact swallowed by time. They haul it up, unaware they've just discovered one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world. This was no ordinary object. It was a machine. A machine 2,000 years ahead of its time. Months pass, and the artifact sits unnoticed in a museum, collecting dust, until one man takes a closer look. Archaeologist Valerios Stais spots something unusual. A gear, embedded in the rock-like crust. A gear? In an object from ancient Greece? Impossible. The technology to create such intricate mechanics shouldn't have existed for another 1,000 years. And yet, it did. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, the world's first known analog computer. Built over 2 millennia ago by Greek engineers, it could predict solar and lunar eclipses, track the movements of the sun and moon, and even follow the cycles of the Olympic Games. It was an astronomical calculator so advanced that nothing like it would reappear until the 14th century. But how did it work? The mechanism was housed in a wooden case about the size of a shoebox, packed with at least 37 interlocking bronze gears, some no larger than a coin. The largest, with 223 teeth, was key to predicting eclipse cycles based on the ancient Saros cycle. The device could even account for the irregular orbit of the moon, a feat that wouldn't be replicated until modern astronomy. The true breakthrough came in 2005, when scientists used X-ray tomography to scan the fragments. What they found left them speechless. Inscriptions, hidden for centuries, revealing a lost instruction manual. This wasn't just a calculator. It may have been capable of tracking the 5 classical planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Was this evidence of an ancient Greek planetarium? Who built it? Where did this knowledge come from? Some say it was the work of the legendary Hipparchus, one of the greatest astronomers of antiquity. Others believe it came from Rhodes, a center of ancient Greek engineering. Yet, the biggest mystery remains. Was this truly the only one? No other device like it has ever been found. But its complexity suggests it wasn't a one-off invention. It had predecessors. Could more of these lost machines be waiting beneath the waves, hidden in the sands of time? The Antikythera Mechanism challenges everything we thought we knew about history. It's a relic of a forgotten technological era, proof that the ancient Greeks may have been far more advanced than we ever imagined. The Antikythera Mechanism remains a timeless mystery, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It reminds us that sometimes history can be stranger and far more fascinating than fiction. If you enjoyed uncovering this ancient mystery, hit subscribe and follow along for more incredible stories from our fascinating world. Until next time, stay curious.